Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can stream any games on your computer laptop on the Twitch using this OBS Studio. See here, this is the OBS Studio, and currently I'll open the Chrome here. This is the game what I'm streaming. This is live now. See here, live, and this is my Twitch channel. And currently I'm just live streaming this using this OBS Studio. See here, stop streaming means currently this is streaming. Okay, you'll be observed with the low latency. See here, this is what I have just showed you at the start of the video recording when I record. And yeah, all the screen or the display you can stream easily within 1 minute. I'll show you step by step. Let us get into the tutorial from the scratch. I'll be just clicking on the stop streaming so that this streaming gets stopped here. Nothing won't be show anything. It gets go to offline. See here, offline. Immediately when I stop that, it got offline. First of all, what you need to do is open Chrome browser and just log in with your Twitch account and just click on your channel so that your channel homepage will be visible here. Then just open your OBS Studio here, OBS Studio. Yeah, this is the OBS Studio, and from the sources here, which source do you want to stream onto the Twitch? And for me, it is already display capture. If it is empty for you, you need to click on this plus symbol and just check display capture or game capture. I usually keep display capture. If it is game capture, you need to click on the game capture. But yeah, for this moment, just say display capture so that your entire screen gets streamed. Okay, I just kept to display capture. Okay, and the preview will be shown up here, or what is the preview which is going to be streamed or which is going to be displayed to the live streaming will be displayed here. Okay, this is the current screen. And now the second step is you need to click on this file, then click on this settings. Yeah, then click on this stream here as you are going to stream, and click on the service which you want to stream to. I want to stream to Twitch. Then immediately it will ask you to connect the account. So I'll be clicking on connect the account. I'll be logging with my login credentials. I'll be giving my Twitch username and the password followed by the password. Yeah, as soon as I log in, it will ask a security code to be entered here, which will be sent as a mail to my email ID. So I'll quickly check my email ID here in the desktop only. I'll be entering that code. Yeah, see here, I just entered the code what I received, and now it has been connected. So I just logged into my Twitch account on the OBS Studio platform, and server is auto recommended. Just keep it like it, and don't enable this Twitch add-ons. Okay, leave it like this. Just click on apply and click on OK. Now the setup has been done. Means we are just linked this OBS Studio with your Twitch account. That's it. Okay, this is the channel. Currently it is showing offline, and now you just need to check the OBS Studio here. Okay, immediately this chat bubble has been opened. I'm just closing this for a moment, and this server information means what is the game you are playing, means this will be displayed here on the Twitch account. Okay, your stream name and everything. So you can give appropriate name whatever the game you are going to stream, and live notifications for the users or the followers, and the tags. For example, I'm going to play Fortnite game, Fortnite live stream, something like that you can give. Okay, I've done. Okay, and the game also I gave as Fortnite game. Fine, and I'll be clicking on this start streaming. At this option start streaming, it is saying like connecting, and it has been connected. And let us check here, it is now still offline. What I'll do is I'll just give a simple refresh here, simple refresh. Yeah, see here, it's now live. So now I can just simply stream this game, Fortnite game here. uh, I can just, do you want to fun? Okay, last game, skip. So now I can simply start playing this game, so that this game gets live streaming on the Twitch, your Twitch channel, and through this OBS. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. That would be really helpful for me. And yeah, that's what I can ask from you. I'll be showing you this output here. See here, this is what it is getting live streamed here. Okay, yeah, I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.